Hi everyone. So today I will tell you how to write a code in Java to get the current time and current day and current date. So I am having the Eclipse. Now I will create a new class, the Eclipse. Say get current finish. Now I will write a code. I have to input first. Input arrow dot start, then import oops java dot java dot utility dot start. Instead of start, I can take date. Okay. Now I have to create a main class, public static void main string arguments throws away exceptions. Now I have to get the object for the date class dt equals to date semicolon. So I'm having the data reference here. Now CISO control space. I will go get get date. So these are the date formats. One is date and another is day, which day, fourth day or fifth day of the week. Get hours, get minutes, get month, get second. So let's check for everything. If I don't get date, what I will get? If I run this is my output. So this is the day. If I check here, today's date is 26. So I got the 26 output here. So I can modify this as the same way. If I want to get the day, get dt dot get day. So which day of the week? Day of week. I will commenting it. If I run this, what I will get the 4. Is 4. Why? The reason is that as you know today the date is 26. It is the fourth day of this week. So it is counting from 1, 2, 3, 4. So today is the fourth day of the week. So that is what it is returning back. Another one. dt dot get day. This will return the hours. Now what is the current time? Current is 9. The time is 9:55. So it is returning the 9. If I get the minutes, I can get so dd dot get minutes. minutes. If I run this, I will get the what is the current minute? 56 minute. If you see here, this is the 56th minute. So I am returning the. See, so if I want dd dot get month, which month it is? It is the September. So I should get the September 8th, 08. So I am getting the September 2024. Month number. So enter space dd dot get seconds. What is the current second? If I run this, I'm getting 43 because 47, 48. So if I run this now, it should be 55. So 57. Yeah, it is almost 57. 57 second. Okay, it is getting all the time. So I want this minute, hours, and seconds in a single value. How to get that? See, so dt dot get time. So it will return what is the current minute. So if you see here, this is my time. If I run this now, it will should get we should get 9:48 and 40 seconds. What is it? Let's see, get time. It is written something else. So we can talk about this later. DT dot get year. What is the current year? This is how you can write the code. 124. Where to run everything at a time. This is how it is written to me back. Date is 26, day of the 4 is 4 hours 10 0 minutes. Month is September, and the current second is 4 seconds. That's it. Thank you. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments.